Hello friends and potential friends. I remember a couple weeks ago I went out and picked a Ponderosa tomato so I could save it from the possibility of frost. That was before that first near freeze we had, and I brought that tomato inside and it has now ripened to perfection. I sure hope that camera does it justice, because that thing is beautiful and I just couldn't help but share it with my friends. Now, I call this a tomato, but in reality it's two tomatoes. See, it's got this little guy down here on the bottom, and that is actually a separate little tomato. I'm kind of curious to see what its stem looks like, so let's see if I can get this in the light and twist off that stem. Okay, there's not much of a stem there, but that one's ripened pretty good too. So now we have this guy and the fixings for my second BLT of the year. So let's get into this. Oh, that looks so good. There we have it. Now that's a slicer. Yeah, that's a slicer. 2 slices fills up the bread. Got some bacon over here. And for the greens, we've got fresh picked lettuce, doesn't want to stay on the sandwich. I guess I'm piling this a little bit too tall this time, but that's okay. I like lettuce. We'll get it to stay on there. And there's a couple little pieces of cabbage. Throw that on there. This is some cabbage collards. And a little bit of kale. Now that is a BLT. Okay, and like I said, I want to share this with my friends, so yeah, I'll take that half, I'll take this one. I didn't think it was possible, but that thing is better than the first one. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy my half. I'll see you next time.